Playtime Toys, and let's see what kind of squishies they have. Look, guys, this is so cute. It's like a
Fajne.
it's like a banana with peanut
Toast.
butter, a toast.
Banana toast. Co oglądasz?
You guys, look at these two bobas. One boba and another boba. It's so
Fajne.
cool.
A ty co, Oliwier, oglądasz?
Ile to kosztuje, jak kupisz duże?
Pokémon Cards?
No ty, o.
9,99.
All? No all? Nie, jedno.
Jedna small bag.
Możesz pytać? Idę tam tą bobę zobaczyć. Guys, look at this boba.
Co tu jeszcze jest fajnego? Aleksander, widzisz coś tutaj jeszcze fajnego?
Wow. You guys, look at these ones. This is like almost like a dragon fruit.
Tu masz fries i donut.
Fries, donuts, even I don't know what this one is. Let's go see something else. Let's go see the other ones. This is an avocado. A pumpkin one. A kitty. Let's go see these ones. There's even this boba. This one, and this one. Let's go see the other squishies. So let's just go through here. Let's see this one. So this one is like a rabbit eating ice cream. Let's see out the other ones. Donut. Let's see about this squishy. So this one is cool. This one. Let's go see from down here. These are so cool, guys. Let's go see the other ones out. Oh, let's see these ones. So this is a rose. Let's go see the other one, guys. What kind of toys they have? Let's see the games. Oh, you guys, look at these puppies. Let's go here, guys. This is cool. Let's see what we can get. I don't know what to get. There's so many fun toys to pick. So look at this slime. Let's see the big ones. You guys, look at this big slime. And it's blue, my favorite color. You guys, look at this slime. It's so cool. Let's go see the other ones. Let's check these slimes out. Look at this slime, guys. Let's see what else they have. We have Pokemon. It's Eevee. Let's see what else. They have Nerf guns. This Nerf gun is cool. I still don't know what to get, guys. There's so many fun things and cool things. There's even Play-Doh and foam, the balls, Play-Doh. There's even slime. You get to stretch it out, super stretchy. You guys, look, there's even slime here to decorate. Let's see what else they have here. You guys, look, they have more squishies. So this is like a deer. You guys, look, a Pikachu one. Let's see what other ones they have. This squishy. Guys, look at this jumbo one. It's so big. Let's see what else. Now we're gonna go to GameStop, guys. Come follow me, guys.